Hello guys, my family guys, shout out. We are going, today is Independence Day, 4th of July.
Shout out, guys.
Shout out, please subscribe. So today's where my complete family. So we are going here in my husband, my youngest daughter, my eldest daughter, my two granddaughters.
Shout out, guys.
View's in front of me, so why didn't you speed up?
Well, you know, too much wrong for making it like that.
Instead of waiting. Good.
What's up, Sid?
And it's not the Tremere exit.
Working real?
Yes. It's the exit for In-N-Out.
Okay, if you guys order anything,
Oh, we don't know if anybody even wants to go. Well, I would. Are you going?
What, she's not going?
If Mommy goes, she's gonna want you to go.
I'll be damned.
Dude, where?
No, I'm not. I get
I'm gonna upload a new job.
So the worst was like the worst of that's
Well, those are annoying.
not so much annoying, it's just nobody can ever stop it. The way that dogs are seen as dogs are sitting here waiting for something you never know they're coming. Attack them as they stand. They get like a 10-second video of seeing them doing something or somebody was doing something they took down the time.
No, sometimes if the baby didn't working.
They're skinny folks.
They're all skinny, even the people.
Hello guys, my family guys, shout out. We are going, today is Independence Day, 4th of July.
Shout out, guys.
Shout out, please subscribe. So today's where my complete family. So we are going here in
Very far.
my husband, my youngest daughter, my eldest daughter, my two granddaughters. Here at Hook and Rio. We are eating for lunch. I think one, yeah. I think lunch. are going home now. We're just finished eating lunch at Hope and Rio.
What is it? Is it like soap ready to do or something? You wash your hands? Maybe you had your hands on the table and I've never seen guys in their parking lot.
Say shout out, subscribe.
At the Murdochs, I've never seen people in their
Not
parking
at the funds. Super expensive. Like that one, that hardware store in Amazon.
Hi guys,
Yo, shout out.
on the way home guys, we're going to get some snow ice.
Awesome.
You look like a baseball player.
Here, Jay, try it. No. Here, you try.
Matching my thing. Show us up, Bill.
Probably get no nose to hold them up.
My nose is too flat. Too good.
I bought them so that way at the softball tournament, maybe somebody would think that I was like,
Know what you're doing?
yeah, wearing glasses like that. I didn't somebody who didn't get to play yet, get too many players on our team. So he put that person on their team, and then he put me on to right field, and I missed them all twice.
Here's my
I
flash
missed them all
there.
twice, so they got like 2 all the way around. Cause I
So like a fly ball, you couldn't catch it?
yeah, like one that was really high up, I couldn't catch it.
Normally what you do is retrieve, strike.
Okay, shout out.
Shout out to all my dudes.
It's covered clean. Hey, subscribe.